Oh yeah. So, oh, ooh, nice. I think she has a little bit of. I like it. Is this our game-changing item? We're gonna come right here. We're raw right here today. We're raw right here at the flea market. Nothing's been seen. We're going real time. Gonna find some treasures. I feel it. If you remember correctly, at the end of the previous video, we found a box that had the tags, and the tags were for a silver distribution company. Look, they're everywhere now. Right here. Preston and Company, sterling silver. There was like 1,000 of those. Maybe somewhere's jewelry to put together in here. We're gonna find out. Oh yeah, we have a knife. Oh, air machines. Okay, so this is like the air machine box, maybe. Oh, dishes. Just talk prices to the customers, you know. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, Alex. Come here. This is what we want to find right here. I'm going to show you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for all of these.
Holy crap.
And I'm looking for those, right? Who owns this company?
They did.
Explain it to me. Hold that for a second. Okay.
Maybe they were selling for this company.
Maybe. What are they selling? Like drugs?
Ooh, ooh, jewelry.
Oh.
Don't say it, I'm gonna give you a knife.
Look at that. See that? See that?
Today is the day where Uncle Mike and Mike lose their cool. Ooh.
Yes. Okay. Item number 179, booth 4, LP.
Let's see right here. Item 179?
No, hey,
I'm looking for the price.
I'm gonna finish here. I'm gonna go through and look at this bag at the end of my video.
Oh. Hold on, please, hold on. 1 second.
What?
1 second. What was that, Uncle Mike? Why?
I didn't bring one today.
Oh,
You didn't bring a knife? Didn't bring a knife?
Didn't bring a knife.
Didn't bring a knife. Wow.
I lost it yesterday.
All that time showing up early and you couldn't remember to bring a knife.
These are booklets to a
Tell me that isn't
and
Alameda.
Company styling silver jewelry.
Well done.
All right, next box here. Looks like. Uh-oh.
Yep.
Dogs on. Here, Uncle Michael, I got you a sign for your house. Uncle Mike.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. Horrible, horrible pack job here. They threw her stuff in. This is called a veil and sail here. Looks like they did a veil and sail, Uncle Mike. I don't know, you have to wait. We got a lot of stuff coming out,
I
so.
gotta get it out.
Nice. What's that? Hold on. Look at this one, Alex.
Wow, that's nice.
That's the newer one.
Oh, I need that.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do, bro. I need that. I need a new apple.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do, bro. Put it to the side and I'll just pay you for it. About $5.
Okay. All pillowcases.
I'll do that. Unsure. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to sell stuff for $2-3. I could get it out of you, Alex. I don't
This is 20. 20. Okay, so I'm gonna go out on a limb and I'm gonna do some other things. Let's see what we got here. No. Nothing.
Refrigerator.
Excuse me?
Refrigerator.
The freezer? 30.
Is it freezer?
Fridge, freezer, whatever it is, it's 30.
How much?
30.
30.
Are you kidding me? Alex, what are we gonna do with all these things? Look. Is this a lot or what is this? No. It's fabrics. That is a nice blanket right there though. Yes, this blanket will definitely be set aside. It's similar to the year of the one that I have.
I need that too.
Can you focus on boxes?
Can
We got a lot to do, sir.
Let's dip these alcohols, please.
We got a lot to do today. Can you? Here, you take this. You want to dip it?
You live?
Here.
Reporting live. Stalker cam. What do you want me to do with this?
I want you to do something. Q-tips. These are some weird little things. They all have... Do they own like a Thailand store or something? Like, what is up with this? Look, every... Yeah, made in Thailand. Everything.
Look, hold on. Put that back up. Look.
This is a good little box.
Look. That's that, right?
Yeah. They sell this stuff. Sunbok Chinese Temple Mangrel. The aesthetics of quality. Celadon. What is Celadons? Okay, I'll get to that soon. The blanket is 25. It's a nice blanket. Longchamp. Alex, what is this machine? Are these caller IDs? More breeding machines? Yeah, they're breeding machines.
The blankets. It says blanket on it, maybe. They're heating pads and breeding machines.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we got one more piece of signed art. Another piece. That's a print. Okay. And that's another print. This is cool though. No, print. Davi Napa, okay. Oh, dang, come on. $5 for both.
Is it cigarette?
No, no. It's a laser, son.
Dad, got a laser pointer?
No. No. Oh, I like that set. Wallace. Look at this guy. What up?
How you doing?
Shoot, just chilling, trying to make a living here.
There you go.
Going through this junk. Let's see it.
It's gotta go to Alameda.
That's my great-grandfather.
Linda's.
Yeah.
Hold on, what does it say? Listen, Linda. Mary Ann and Joseph.
Let me look at my wall.
Where's this? That's what I want.
Oh, it's a MacBook. And this is where you put an ad at right here. It's in there.
Here you go, boss. I got one on my wall here.
Yeah, not very many gigs though. Excuse me. It's not in there.
You gonna show them it wasn't in there?
I'm not gonna do that to people. I can tell it's not in there. You want to do that?
They still want to see what's in there.
Okay.
We'll do that. Now let's
Comment
redo-
below if you wanted to
Let's
see
redo
it.
this whole scene. This is gonna be your intro. Mike, we just found a MacBook Pro.
Oh yeah. Comment below which one you like better version, guys. Mine or his.
Or go to my channel and leave a comment. Don't leave it on his.
This was shaping up to be a good box, I thought.
It is. Stop being so negative.
That's almost cool.
I'll have 20 bucks. I was like, we're gonna do that 100.
A cool little painting. I like that. And a neat little Buddha. Those are two little cool items.
We got file cabinets at home. They're starting to get overwhelmed.
Mike, how much do you think that chair should go?
40.
Wow.
You want to say something to the camera? Say hello to the whole world?
Hey, how you doing? You guys do an awesome thing, especially with taking care of people who need help.
What's your handle on YouTube?
William Baker.
William Baker. All
I've got
right.
a very small channel.
All right. Do you make videos?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Mostly what I do is things that are, what is this? What did I just find?
Oh, okay.
You know, like, you got a thing right here.
I got some wheels. You want some
This
wheels?
is a decorative piece, but it is functional.
We haven't even gone through our stuff, Carlos. We're here at the market doing it right now.
You guys didn't want? No.
You know,
Feel free to grab a box and buy whatever you want.
I'm filming right now. You want to say something to the camera?
Hey, I'm good, guys.
You guys see Carlos bid on my auctions a lot. This is him. He's a real person. Give me real money. Look at that. I like it. Here. That sounds right. Sweet. Does. He's going on Wednesday. Mine's tomorrow. And then maybe the following week, I'm going to do one with a lot of gold. Yeah.
No, I don't care.
What is that? These are nice, but I don't know. Just lay them out.
Have you used all your stuff from these guys?
Oh, yeah, get him. Yeah, I already get him.
Bugs Bunny. Mickey Mouse.
How much are you gonna ask for those plate mine? The ones were in the cabinet.
Which ones?
The ones that you just saw. That were in the cabinet.
I don't know. What do we have here? Ooh. The Rolling Stones scrapbook. All right, I see a good future lot on YouTube coming up here. Oh, yes. Berkeley. Okay, birthday cards. Oh, the Beatles. That's tight. Look at this. Filming with the Beatles, 1964. Flawless shape. She has all the cards glued down, but they're still there. Might be some rare ones. And what's the last one? The Monkees? Nope, it's the Beatles again. Ringo. Oh yeah. So, oh, don't think those are real, but that would be money if they were. Jeez Louise. Okay. That's a good little lot right there for you two. Have you ever seen this before, Alex? It's a dryer lint art. How much you want to bet that's human hair? Oh, wow. This is neat. No. That box right there might have some stuff you like. No.
I could die before I sell it, you know. I used to sell these.
Yeah.
Seriously. I used to go to Guatemala and get them. And then sell them as I came up the coast.
Give me 20.
What box?
Outside on the walkboard.
Oh.
Item number 160, booth 4. Yeah, right there in front of you. That's kind of cool, Alex. My first piece of jewelry.
Give me 30, best I can do, Bob. 30 bucks, take it away.
Oh, okay. Look, Alex, I got some jewelry. Huh? Somebody sold at a place with the booth. Sterling silver and turquoise, sterling silver and amethyst, and sterling silver and onyx. 3 necklace. What are you doing? Radio killer. Keep your eye on Charles. That guy.
Morning, thank you, sir.
So nice little baskets. I think I'm gonna put together a lot of these guys. Little things like this. Like there's a basket there. I'll maybe do one little thing of African art all together like this. But those cool little stuff that we just showed. Ooh, nice. I think she has a little bit of a fracture right here. Something was behind there, but that is cool. That is a nice little piece of jade. Put that in a lot, I guess. Oh yes, I remember this. I like it. Maybe on the auction, guys. What do you think? I think I saw that in the previous video. Maybe there's something cool in this box. This is like one of our last chances for romance. Do you hear it? Is this box calling to us? Always believe in hope. There's always hope. Just like in the game, you're down at the bottom of the 9th, last batter up, bases are loaded, you need a home run to win the game. I'm always in that level. And that looks like something to help get us there. Nice. Fairy tale mentality. Ooh. No. Longevity. These are very heavy. Look in abundance. I like that. Fook prosperity. I'm gonna tell you right now. Fook then A. That's priceless. What those 3 represent is priceless. 100. Another dolphin. This one's not chipped at the end there, so that's kind of cool. That's kind of cute. I'll make a smalls lot. That's what I see happening here. One little cool smalls lot of stuff that is just oddities. Maybe that. I'm gonna pass on that one. I don't like it. 5.
So, with the inaccurate reporting, you're able to get anything off your credit card.
With a little bit of special know-how, right?
What's your asking price on this?
100.
I want to see this box.
And what is the which one is that for the what?
Oh, you mean for all your negative accounts?
Oh, that'd be nice. Marcus' booth is all set up. I'm going to edit a video from in, so we will not be missing some footage for a few. But during that time frame, set up, trailers clean, some good stuff for the auctions. You'll have to watch the other video if you missed it, as well as Alex's. Anyway, let's get to editing. This is what's left, and it's dollar sale time. It's time to have one. It's time to see what we can do. So here we go. Here we go. What do you know? So we got one. Ooh. Here we go. Sterling silver earring pair with box. Not bad. Oh, clickbait. Clickbait. Nope. Let's see. I can't tell if any of them have them in there because they don't make a difference whether there's one or not. It's looking like there's a lot of empties now. We happen to have 2. Was one in there at one point. None in there. Not looking good, guys. Oh, here we go. Always gotta take the time to look. Booth 4. Sterling silver earrings. She must have been selling these a while, because that's a very nice pair of earrings to only be asking that money. They're like moons with some stones in them. So we got 3 pairs. Is this our game-changing item that we bought? Is this going to be the game changer for selling jewelry, figuring out what our gem collection is worth? Let's see. Oh, yes. Yes, it is. What do we got here? Feels like it's been open though. All right. Okay. So, no, it's originally packed. That's figuring tape. So there we go. We got this. We are at the school. This is documents. It is paperwork. Michael is starting his senior year. Are you excited for your senior year?
I mean, I'm not excited. It's just like another year. I'm excited for it to end.
And then what?
And then I get to start life.
Oh, and then you get to start life.
Yep. Life begins.
Comment in the comment section what year you went to your senior year in high school. We like to know that, just to see
That'd
get an
be
idea.
cool, you know?
Yeah, just type in a year.
Ended it.
And just like that, that's a wrap on this flea market unbox. This unit is turning out to be a possible moneymaker. Alex scored something in his unboxing. You have to go check it out. It's a nice little wicker crate. We are here working on the next unit, the one we got scammed on. That's going to be a big drop alert coming soon. You're going to have to be ready for that. We got scammed big time on this storage unit. We might get our money back, but you're going to have to wait to find out. Anyway, don't forget the like button, the share button, subscribe, say something pretty on Alex's comments.